Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a different video. I have a different location and everything too. I'm using natural lighting right now, so I don't know how the lighting is, but I hope it's good. And I'm really excited for this video. I'll be showing you guys a couple different hairstyles for curly hair, and they're going to be very simple, very easy to follow. So I hope you guys enjoy and give it a thumbs up if you like it. We're on a road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to do so. I am going to be doing a giveaway at 10,000, so I'm really excited to reach that goal. But for anyone who's already subscribed to me, thank you so much for all the love and support, and I hope you guys continue to watch me. I love you guys so much, and let's just get started with the video. This is hairstyle number 1, and I called it the Rock Ya Hair Girl because this one is just your natural hair. You guys, you can do so much with just your hair. You know how beautiful it is just to rock it the way it is. So I included this one even though it's not really a hairstyle, but for me it counts like one. This is hairstyle number 2. You're gonna need a hair tie for this one, and all we're doing is that we're sectioning off the top of our hair, or the front of it I guess, and we're pulling it back and getting one of the scrunchies or whatever that's called, a hair tie, and just tying your hair. It's really simple, it's really easy, and anyone can do it. Look how cute it is. Hey. Okay, so I don't know, I had to include that in there. So again, another simple one. I called it the 2 braids because I didn't know what else to call it. So basically I parted my hair in the middle and it was getting really hot, as you can see. I'm going to section off another part. As you can see what I'm doing here, I'm just doing a straight line, and I'm going to pin the rest of my hair back so it's not, you know, in my way. And here we're going to be doing a braid. So all I'm doing is that I separated out in 2 sections, and I'm just twisting them and adding hair. Twisting them and adding hair. It's really simple actually, but there's a lot of videos on YouTube if you don't know how to do this braid. People also do actual braids, you know, but I thought this was just a lot easier. So what I did on one side, I'm going to do on the other side, and that's basically it. And you can do 2 buns, but that's a lot of work just to get the hair out of your face, right? Hairstyle number 4. I just called it the bun, or a bun. All you're gonna do is you're gonna flip your head all the way down and grab all your hair into a really high ponytail. So pay attention to what I'm doing. I'm getting the hair tie and wrapping it around once, twisting it, and then wrapping it around the rest of my hair, and that's basically it. That's all you do. You just pull your hair apart to make it a little bit more fluffy, add more volume, pull some pieces on the side, and that's it. It's a messy bun. It's super cute, and it looks good with a lot of outfits, and it's so simple to do. We're on to hairstyle number 5, the low bun. So I'm going to split my hair in the middle. You can split it however you feel comfortable with. I like to pull hair from the front. I just think it's a lot more flattering, and it's just cuter. So all I did is basically I put my hair all the way down, and I just started twisting my hair. You guys, there's literally no technique to this. You just twist your hair like as best as you can. You don't even need a hair tie, you can just bobby pin it. But that was it, dude. That took like I don't know, 30 seconds, and it's very cute. I mean, I like it. I wanted to show you guys how these hairstyles look with a bandana, and I couldn't figure out how to really wrap the bandana, but I think it's super cute and it just adds an extra touch to any hairstyle. Hairstyle number 6, the low buns. So same technique or whatever you want to call it as the previous one. I'm just parting my hair in the middle, separating it into 2 sections, and just twisting my hair around until I get some sort of low messy bun. But I'm doing it on each side of my head. So we got 2 little buns and they're just so cute. Hairstyle number 7, the space bun. So this is almost exactly the same as the one we just did, just higher up. I'm just splitting my hair in the middle, getting 2 sections, and wrapping my hair around so it creates 2 little buns. I love to pull some hair in the front of my face just to frame my face and make it a little bit more messy. This is a really nice hairstyle, and I know a lot of you guys do it already, so I just wanted to put my curly twist in it as well. This is the easiest hairstyle we're gonna do. Literally, you're just getting 2 sections of hair and pinning them back to your head. If you're on the go, this is the hairstyle for you, girl. Lastly, the low pony. So this is super simple. Again, I just grabbed my hair and put it into a low pony. I get some pieces in the front of my face like always, and I just tie my hair around. I also like to grab a bobby pin and pin it behind the pony just to add a little bit more volume and have it be more lifted. I think it adds a little cute touch, and I really like this one as well. And that concludes my little montage of a couple of different curly hairstyles. Now, straight haired people can also do these, but I think what makes it fun is that our hair is not perfect, so it's gonna come out different every single time you do it, and that's the whole point of this video. It's easy, it's on the go, it's not hard at all to do. You don't need a lot of equipment, a lot of materials to do these hairstyles, and anyone can do them. And if it's not coming out how you want it to, just manipulate your hair however you can, and remember that curly hair is not perfect, and that's the beauty behind it. And I think that's what makes curly haired girls special, because our hair is completely different and unique in its own way every single day, and I hope you guys embrace that and love yourself for that. And I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I know it was not perfect. I didn't do this hairstyle slick back. I literally just did them how I could with what I had. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!